Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are in a good condition. My name is Afrian. In this video, I will continue to explain about my project. As we know, in this project we have 6 sprites that are teacher, student, rectangle, triangle, circle, and parallelogram. We also have 2 stages here. The backdrop is our chalkboard and library. Now let's go to the first sprite, that is teacher. When the green flag click, then the teacher will go to x minus 130 and y minus 70. In this project, we have some variables that are area, base, height, length, radius, and width. Firstly, we set all of the variables to be 0, and the next code is forever to play sound guitar chord until dawn. Mm, When the teacher receives broadcast answer the question, then the teacher will say yes of course for 2 seconds, and then the teacher will change to the next costume and say let's study about area of plane, let's go to the class and go to x minus 130 y minus 70 and wait for 4 seconds, and the backdrop will switch to the chalkboard. And when the backdrop switches to the chalkboard, then the teacher will open the class and he will ask to the student to choose the choice 1, 2, 3, or 4. If the student choose 1, then the teacher broadcast rectangle. If choose 2, then broadcast triangle, area of triangle. If choose 3, then broadcast area of circle. If choose 4, then broadcast area of parallelogram. And if the student choose another number, then the teacher will say your choice is wrong. And when the teacher receives the broadcast triangle, then the teacher will go to x minus 210 and y minus 30, and the teacher will give short explanation about triangle. In the same way, when the teacher receives broadcast rectangle, then teacher will explain about rectangle. Also, when teacher receives circle, then the teacher will explain also. And when the teacher receives parallelogram, then he will explain about area of parallelogram. And we move to the second spread, that is student. When the green flag click, then the student will go to x 50 and y minus 70, and the backdrop will switch to library, and the student will switch to the next the costume A. Then will say hello, I want to ask about mathematics. Will you explain me about area of the plan? And the student will broadcast answer the question and write. The next code is when the backdrop switch to the chalkboard, then the student will go to x 120 and y minus 70. And when the sprite receive thank you, then he will say like this and switch costume to B and move 10 steps and repeat 10 times. We move to the next sprite, that is triangle. When the triangle receive area of triangle, then the triangle will show and it go to x 5 t and y minus 5. Then will broadcast triangle and weight. And we have procedure here. The procedure is defined by triangle. And when the green flag click, then the triangle will hide. We also hide the variable base and height. The explanation about the procedure, we ask about input the base of triangle and set base to answer, input the height of triangle, set height to answer, then we set area to the base time height divided by 2 and say join the area of the triangle equal to area. So the area will show in the layout and wait for 5 seconds and broadcast thank you. In the same way for circle and parallelogram, also rectangle, but the value of the formula of area of each plane is different, so the value also different. So this is the end of my video. I'm sorry if I make some mistakes, and thanks for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.